Don't swear you're on camera.
I'm not feeling nothing. I'm not feeling nothing, but that's that big minnow. There we go. Now I'm getting something. I'm not feeling minnow. I'm not feeling anything, dude. I think he spit my hook. A twin hook, and he spit it. Oh no, he's on it. There we go. Here he goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, here he goes. He's running. He's running. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh yeah.
You're almost out of line.
Yank him. I'm yanking him. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. Big guy. Big guy. Yep. It's not a fight now. I'm wondering if I'm getting weeds or what. Whatever it is, it's happening.
Told you the fish were coming.
How much line's on that thing? That thing was full. There's a lot of line out here, dude.
There's still a lot of line on here, too.
Oh, here he comes. Oh.
He's a big fucker. Oh, he's a fighter.
Leader. Oh. Come on. Get your head up there. It's a muskie. It's a nice muskie. It's a nice muskie. Oh. It's a nice muskie. God, I wish I would have brought the gaff.
I'm gonna go get it?
No. I can't get him up right here. Keeps on hooking his... Oh yeah, it's a pig. Oh dude, it's a pig.
You gonna fit through the hole?
I don't know. He's got. I can't get his beak. I don't know if he'll get his beak.
Nice bald spot.
Oh.
Don't let him pull you in.
There we go. Oh, beautiful.
Dude, I just got all this on video.
That is a beautiful fish. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that. I got a hook in my mouth.
Fucker's huge, dude.
Oh, let's measure him. Hook. Keep an eye on him.
Yep.
I gotta get a pliers. Trying to let him swallow that hook anymore. Oh. What excitement. Let's see what he's measuring. Let's pull him out here. Now he's only about 49. About 49 inch. Nice thick muskie. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, I need the spreaders, dude. I can't do that.
What?
Can you hold his jaw apart? Make sure you hold it apart one side. You don't let that fucker pinch. Look at them teeth. Okay. Beautiful fish. You want to take a picture? Take a snapshot?
Hold on now. Gotta figure out this camera.